Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, like and subscribe because you're probably somebody that uses a tool bag. So this will be a spot to find more of these reviews. Today we're looking at the Milwaukee utility pouch. It's model number 48-22-8119. And this is it. You can tell it's designed with Milwaukee tools in mind because I'm going with all the Milwaukee hand tools now, these made in America ones, these pliers. And even their screwdrivers are all great. Slowly switching over from Klein to all that stuff. But they fit in here very nicely. So these pliers drop down, and you can see at the bottom, they're open there if you wanted to put a screwdriver, but the pliers fit there beautifully. And then there's a couple screwdrivers I can fit in here. This pocket here where the little one is a pass-through one, and a very stretchy one. And there's another one where I've got a marker on this side. All the other ones are just standard ballistic nylon pockets. Which all have a pass-through, except for the main pocket. Now the reason I really like this bag is because on the outside, all the way around, are individual pockets for tools, which is where I put all my hand tools that I take on every job. Then the middle is great for just dropping stuff in. It's just a big open pocket. So at the bottom today, I have gloves at the bottom, my radio, and a pair of channel locks. Or another day, I might have no gloves and I just got a meter in there. But it's great for throwing multiple things, like Morettes, just having a bunch of Morettes at the bottom of it. Anyways, it just adds a lot of versatility to the bag. Now, if you want to see how it clips on to your belt, you can see here, you flip this over top of your belt, and then this slides in there. Now, when I first got the bag, I noticed it was just a pain in the arse. I don't know, my belt, I always wear my belts really tight because I don't have much of hips. My belt's really tight, so flipping this in, forcing it through was kind of tough. And then what was really even more annoying was trying to get it, because this tapers, the more you get it in, the harder it gets because it's wider, right? So I found that to be a pain, but as I've been using it for a couple weeks now, it's gotten a lot easier. I don't know if it's just muscle memory and I've got it down, or this has just loosened up or something like that, but it's a lot easier now for me, and it's very simple to take on and off, kind of like you would with tough bolt clip tech kind of bags. So it's very handy. I've still got my structured pack out bag, but having this now, I don't need to use that as much. I just go around with this, throw a meter in when I need it, have some tape on the side, and it's a beautiful way to work if you're a service electrician. Now, like I said, if you like videos like these, don't forget to like and subscribe, because within the next week I'll be getting the Vito Pro Pack MP2X, that's what it is, yeah, with the new style belt clip. So this will be a good comparison to do with that. Anyways, thanks guys, thanks for watching. Peace.